Hey guys, today we are reviewing Syncwire's car wireless FM transmitter, so let's get to it. So go ahead and find your 12 volt socket port that's like this. So for us, we actually have multiple ones, so we're just going to go down in here. So we now go and place this right in here. So we're now going to give this power. So as you guys can see now that we gave it power, let's rotate it how we want it. Actually, let's turn it this way because this is the right way. So it tells us our different things here. Alright, so for us, that's what it was called, and we connected to it. We are now connected. So what you do is you set your FM station. So we got it set to 88.1. We press the channel button and set this to 88.1. And now we go ahead. Now you could do this for an MP3 player or whatnot. So Bluetooth, you could do it for talking on the phone or whatnot. But we're gonna go ahead and play a video here. Go ahead and turn the volume. So turning this is for the volume. So you can have this maxed. And you can also use your volume for this. So you can set this whatever you want. But this also can lower it quickly. So turn it up. As you can hear, let's turn this up real loud. Ready? Turn it down. So it works great, absolutely love it. So it's great for Bluetooth, for phone calls, for music, MP3 player, whatever you want to connect to your radio, you can do it. And it also has 3.0 port for charging, and also Type-C. It looks like a Type-C port for charging. So A+ from me, it works great.